Hello, I'm Manal Vaduldev. We help businesses, government contractors, and NGOs work smarter, not harder, especially in compliance heavy environments using software and process automation. One of the biggest things I see across almost every team is that their pipeline looks fine on the surface, but behind the scenes, things are getting missed, delayed, or stuck. So in this video, I want to walk you through why most GovCon pipelines actually fail, what that looks like in the real system, and a few simple ways to fix it using automation inside Monday.com. So this is a pretty standard pipeline setup. Active opportunities, leased, closed, won. There isn't a clear next step. This column is usually either not being used or not being enforced. So you end up with deals just sitting there and no clear next action. This is probably the most common issue. Deals stay in negotiation or stuck for longer than they should, and nothing really triggers action. If owner isn't clearly defined, it becomes really easy for things to fall through. A lot of teams are relying on memory, which just doesn't scale, especially in GovCon. So instead of relying on manual follow-ups, we can build a system that supports the process automatically. So first, your stages shouldn't be just labels. They should trigger something. When something moves into proposal submission, you can automatically notify your team, create a task, or assign the next step. And we're going to go ahead and set that up right now. So in our automations, we are going to create a new automation. And when our opportunity status changes to proposal submitted, then we are going to notify someone, and that someone, for example, right now is going to be me. We can also set a message for the notification. And write a message. This is what I'm going to receive in my notifications. So I'm just going to write, "Hi, look at this deal." Okay, click enter and then create notification. Now, every time an opportunity stage moves to proposal submitted, I will get a notification. We're just going to go ahead and set that up for a test. So I'm going to create an active opportunity, call that as a test, and in our opportunity stage, I'm going to select proposal submitted. And this way, an automation will run and I will get a notification. This also helps keep things moving without relying on reminders. This is also one of the most simplest but most effective improvement. Instead of just setting a date, you can automate a notification when the date arrives, so the owner is reminded at the right time. So in this next automation date, I'm going to set the date for April 7th. And this is how I'm going to automate it. We are going to create an automation where whenever the next action date arrives, then I will get a notification. Now we can also set this up where it can be before or after the date. So another way we can set this up is we can do 3 days before the date, I will get a notification at this time. And these are just some of the automations that you can create. I do have to write a text. So I'm just going to write test, look at the action date. Just a little bit of information on what this notification is, and then go ahead and create that automation. These are just some of the examples of how you can automate your GovCon pipeline. Now let's look at the pipeline timeline. This view is also really helpful. You can see how your pipeline is progressing over time. This helps answer where delays are happening, what's moving forward, and where attention is needed. In this view, you can also see if there are deals who are dependent on each other. So to simplify everything, make sure that each stage triggers an action, every deal has a next step, stalled deals are flagged, and ownership is clear. Some of these small changes make a big difference over time. If your pipeline isn't supported by automation, it becomes very easy for things to slip through. But with the right structure, it can actually work for you instead of against you. If you like help setting something up like this, you can schedule a discovery call with our team to see if we're a good fit. Or sign up for a free trial of Monday.com using our link below, and we'll include a no-cost onboarding call to get you started.